In this video, I will explain how you can extract terms and relations from a text using the template prompts for ChatGPT. First, open the bulk add sidebar. Then you can select one of the prompts. I will start with this one, create a graph from your own text. Now you see a box where you can paste it. Let's copy a text about cars from Wikipedia and paste it. Then press generate, and you see a prompt has been copied to the clipboard. Paste this in ChatGPT and wait for the response to finish. Then copy the relations to the relation box, and the terms to the term box. Now press bulk add. After that, you can reposition the elements with one of the algorithms. If you want to get more terms related to a specific term, you can use this prompt and repeat the same steps. You can also add the relations between these new terms. So probably not all terms will contain definitions. Go back to the bulk add sidebar and select the first prompt and press generate. Now paste this again in ChatGPT and the results you can paste in the terms box. And this is another fun prompt. It lets you create a blog based on a few terms you select. Then you can publish the outcome somewhere online. When you have created a good overview of terms and relations, you have countless options to create blogs. If you want, you can also make your graph look nice. Watch the other videos to see how you can edit and style the graph further. You can also try out one of the examples.